Welcome to the unboxing of the dnt-LW-eTRV radiator thermostat controllable, the dnt-LW-eTRV-C. Oh god, I almost got a stroke from that. But it's just a thermostat for your home application or even your business. And I'll get a manual with it right here. And then there is the device right here. But you have to dig a little deeper. And inside the box is another box, is a set of adapters that you may need if you want to install this on some non-so-standard radiators. It comes with it in the box, packaged like this, but we're not taking a closer look at that. We're interested in the device itself. So I've recently noticed that a few of my viewers are actually English speaking, so I'm doing this again. There's several unboxings of this device already, and here's why I'm so excited about it. First off, you get an e-ink display, but that's not the main feature. The main feature is basically you have controls on the device itself, very clicky. And then you have this aluminum ring that connects to your radiator, and very important, a metal shaft that pushes or pulls on your thermostat to regulate the temperature. The device itself can measure the temperature at your radiator, and it also comes with standard AA batteries in the back that you can replace yourself, which is a great move. This is a LoRaWAN device, so it can send data and also receive data. And so I could control it by sending over the air some preferred temperatures, right? So that the device gets the signal and basically sets my radiator to the desired temperature. But also this device comes with an internal memory. So I can tell it to have like a little time schedule. For example, every Monday at 12 o'clock, you go up like 4 degrees and then you drop down back to 20 degrees room temperature. And this is great because if something happens to your LoRaWAN network or even the transmission gets lost, this one has an internal memory, and so it can still control your radiators accordingly. And that is very interesting to me because before I've only seen a few devices that could do this. Unfortunately, to my knowledge, there is no app to do it. So I would really prefer like a Bluetooth connected app that I can just set the dates and I'm done with it. And then on special occasions, like somebody booked a room or basically I want to control it from remotely, I would love to override that with an over-the-air command. But right now, it's only possible to schedule it via downlinks. So that is the device right now. There will be different thermostats on this channel because obviously we're testing a lot of them and I'm trying to get my grubby hands on all I can get to test it side by side and see how user-friendly it is, because sometimes LoRaWAN still struggles with it. While in business applications, this is great once you figured out the process to install it. For a home user, this is definitely at this stage not really recommended. Like, you have to have a lot of knowledge about LoRaWAN and setting it up and running it. So if you're familiar with that, congratulations. This seems to be a great thermostat. I'll be posting about it once I tested it out in a real German winter, and I'm looking forward to that. So as always, see you later. This is Robert from Kayna-Funkt.